So for some reason my camera fell in the snow. So that was joyous. So let's try this again. We just got done desensitizing the lead rope and flexing. Go ahead and desensitize him to the chicken string here. Once I'm done flogging him with this, I'm going to flex him from opposite sides. I always have a problem getting around that front feet. Okay. Times on that side. Pretty good. Boy, Louie. Had to jerk him to pay attention there because he was leaning. One more on that side. He was daydreaming. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Alright. Go ahead and slap the ground here. See if he will get off the stick. 'Didn't relax, but didn't move either. 15 seconds. You follow me. Again, 15 seconds, didn't move, but didn't relax either. But this is only a second session, 2 eyes, with high energy too, so yeah, it's not going to work with the snow. Come this way. There we go. Licked his lips. Good boy. Good boy. Back leg cocked. Good boy. Alright. I'm going to do a figure 8. Back up. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Straight. Want you straight. Again, no relaxation, but he, I had to take this glove off, but he didn't try to move either. We're not done. Back up. Back up. Come on. Good boy. Take this glove off and see if I can get a little bit higher energy out of that. Didn't move, but again, no relaxation either. Now he can come in. Oh. Stand here for a second. Woo! I opened my phone case, so I just sat there for a minute. Stand and relax for a minute. Okay. Now I'm going to lunge in for respect. Now we had an issue with this last time. Well, a couple of issues, but we'll see how he does this time. See if he behaves himself. Back up. Back up. Back up. Right, he's going to try and go that way, so I'm going to send him off this way. I'm going to bring him in because I didn't tie the string around his neck, and I hate using it with the string. And that's all we're going to do today is lunging for respect 1 and 2. And then I'm going to flex him and desensitize him again. It's going to be a short lesson today. Back. Boy. Back. Good boy. Nope, nope, stay out there. Again, bad habit I created. And relax. Lift his lips. Okay, after that, you can't make your own cues up. Don't pull. Nope. 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 Two eyes. Two eyes. Stand. Pay attention. Nope. No. Back. Don't pull. Nope, back up. Back. Back up. Moving off a little bit quicker today, but there again, he's not paying attention to the cues because I didn't see him to roll back. Yield. No, get back there. Don't pull. Nope. Nope, two eyes. Pay attention. Just because I move that stick doesn't mean you move. Since he was going to go that way, I'm going to go another way. Oh, pull. A little bit deep snow here. A bit. Nope, back up. Back up. Ask for you to come back here. Back up. Circle a couple times here. Look at his lips, he's kind of antsy. Pulling a little bit. Not a wonderful session, but I mean, it's not a horrible session either. Roll back. Roll back. Good roll back, but he pulled. But moving. Alright, we're going to end it there. Again, not a wonderful session. Not like the sessions he was doing, but pretty good session. And he's leaning a little bit. He was pulling like he wasn't supposed to. But give him the benefit of the doubt. He did a couple of nice rollbacks there at the end, which is what I wanted to end on. stick ain't gonna get you, is it? No. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flex them on both sides, and then desensitize them to the lead rope. One more on this side, because most of them are good. I'm going to bump him a little bit. I'm going to turn his head. One more. Get a good one without any bumping, is what I want to end on. Go. Get his head turned the entire time, because he just chose to do that, but we'll say that was a good flex. What's going on there, huh? Way too much. Good boy. That's this side he's getting really good on. That left side's his bad side. This is his good side. Call that good for flexing. Good boy. Desensitize him. Now I have started, obviously, the under saddle riding flexing in ORS. I did start with the, I think Clinton calls it the touch and the rub, yielding the hindquarters from, if you've seen the old ones, and I'm not sure if it's on the new fundamentals, I'm sure it is, where you touch with your thumb, you push to yield their hindquarters when you're under saddle, basically. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I don't know how to describe it. Done it more so on this side.